Welcome to the EZBilling360 video tutorial, Accounts Receivables, How to See Who Owes You Money. To access and view all accounts receivables, navigate to the View Invoices module. You can do so in one of two ways. From the left menu, click on Invoices, then View Invoices. Or you can use quick links and click on the View Invoices icon. The View Invoices module is where you see and manage all of your accounts receivables. Managing and understanding who owes you money has never been easier or more powerful. In a glance, see who owes you money, for how long, invoice amount, total paid, and balance due. By default, EZBilling360 shows posted invoices for all clients, listing the most recent first. You can narrow your results by using filters. For example, if you wish to view only a certain client's invoices, you simply would either select or type in the name of the client from the drop-down. You can further narrow your results by appending additional filters. For example, say you wish to list all invoices for client Acme, with invoices that have posted 31 to 60 days ago, including all those that are partially paid. You would select all the appropriate filters, and the system will automatically show you the results. It's important to note that EZBilling360 will always show you the balance subtotal for all the invoices displayed within the table. Column headers within the tables are also clickable to help sort the data to best meet your requirements. Using the Invoices table will also save you a lot of time by giving you quick and instantaneous access to the information you need. For example, to view an invoice, click on the invoice number. To view your client's information, such as contact information, location, and telephone numbers, click on the client name or contact. To view the history log, which includes everything that has happened to the invoice, including when it posted, emailed, and all payments made, click on the Emailed or Viewed icon. The View Invoices module is also directly integrated with the Invoice Summary tile located within the dashboard. The Invoice Summary tile automatically groups all outstanding invoices based on age groups. Invoices that have posted within the last 30 days are listed in one age group, while 31 to 60 days in another, and so on and so forth. Outstanding invoices include both invoices that have not yet been paid and those that were partially paid. EZBilling360 also indicates how many invoices fall within each age group. You may interact with the Invoices Summary tile to quickly see an itemized list of all the invoices that fall within each age group. Simply click on the corresponding age group, and EZBilling360 will automatically show you all the invoices that fall within that age group.